Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? So tonight, guys, I figure we do a little haul because I'm actually very behind. So let us begin. Okay, so this one is from Peachy Keen pens on Etsy. Love what they did with the little box. They were fragile, do not crush, bend, or fold. Thank you. And then over here, oh, happy day. Your order is here. And I appreciate you. Get it? So cute. Okay, so let's see. Oh, look at the paper. It's so pretty. I already took out the private information. But look how cute this paper is, guys. This tissue paper, and it's got a little peach. Okay. I don't want to rip this paper. It's so pretty. But sometimes you have no other choice. Let's see. Where's my scissors? Come on. Very gently. So we will rip the paper. There you go. Ooh, what did I order? Well, it looks like a pen. See how pretty this is? Ooh, I'm going to save this. Okay. All right, so what do we have here? Looks like we have some goodies for Grandma. So we have a sour punch. I don't know if Grandma's going to like this one, but we'll see. We got a little peppermint candy, which I love. Oh, and then we have a placer. And then we have a single placer and some fun stickers. And of course, we have a peach. We have a frog family. One's on top of the other one. It looks like he's singing. And then we have an avocado, but it says bravocado. It looks like it's happy too. And look at the diamond. I don't think I have one like this. It's like melting. And then this must be their card, huh? Some little Coverminders. Look at this, guys. So we got the little froggy and a little peach. Is that the cutest thing? Look at this. Let's see. It's got a happy face. And then get this a little closer so you can see it. And then a little froggy. Very cute. And then of course they have a little card here. Peachy Keen pens. Follow on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you. You're a peach. Hi Sylvia. I truly appreciate your support and the love that you have shown our little shop. If it was not for you, Peachy Keen pens would not be able to grow. I hope your new pen brings a smile to your face and comfort in your many hours of diamond painting. Happy diamond painting and stay peachy, Allison. Thank you so much for trying out our little shop. Oh, that's cute. I like that, Allison. Thank you. Very pretty card. Okay, so let's put the candies back in here for Grandma. Okay. Now let's look at the pen, guys. The Coverminders are so cute. All right, let's see what we got. Happy Mail. It's been a while since oh, this is gonna be for Grandma. She loves these. Yes, now I remember. This is gorgeous. Wow. See that, guys? It's pink and blue. I don't know if you can see it better this way. See that? It's cool. Looks like beehive. See that? Very cool. All right, this one, and it's also, I like the way it's not too fat, and it's not heavy at all, and it's not light. It's just perfect. Nice. Okay. Actually, let's leave it out. Right. All right. Let's put this over here for now. Oh, my little stickers. All right. The next one is Jeremiah Ketner Art. And you guys all know him because he's an artist and he has 7 paintings at Diamond Art Club. I just wrote a couple here. Crystal Fox and Evening Light. But in his, if you go online and look up Jeremiah Ketner Art, he sells prints, paintings, custom figures, stickers, puzzles, stationery, and lots of other goodies. All right, so let's see. There's a card. Let's move that aside. Looks like this is a card. I already took out the private information. Okay, let's put that aside. So here's this card. Look how pretty that is. Looks just like his paintings. What a pretty squirrel. She's carrying a heart, and then she's surrounded by very pretty flowers. I love the colors. You know what? Do I have a painting from Jeremiah Kettner? A diamond painting? I'm gonna have to check. Okay, so his shop's called smallandround.com. And also his email, smallandround@me.com. Jeremiah Kettner. Cool name. Okay, and these are the stickers. Look at this, guys. Is this adorable? Oh my gosh, look at that. She's a mermaid. Isn't it pretty? Love all the colors and her hair and the flowers. Just very cute. And then of course, a fox. He's wearing like a little scarf and a little flower around his neck. I love these stickers, guys. Okay, let's see. This just tells me what I ordered. Looks like I ordered some washi tape, then the fox sticker, and I guess the mermaid sticker. And then it's just, Sylvia, thank you, love, Jeremiah. Extra tape for your dispenser. Ooh. So I guess I ordered a tape dispenser, Sakura Pink. All right, so let's see. Tissue paper. Aha. Ooh. So this is, it's in pink. This is the Sakura tape dispenser. Let's see how this works. No idea. It's wood, guys. Really cool. How does this work? Oh. So you could either put a happy face, I think, right? I don't know. Does that go in here? I'm assuming it does. And then, or a, I don't know, worried face? Is that a, oh, it's like, oh. I'll have to read the instructions. I'll have to go back online. But anyway, it looks like the washi tape. What is it through here? I have no idea, guys. But this is the washi tape that I ordered. So I ordered the hedgehog. And then I ordered, I have no idea how you say this, axolotl. Oh my God, axolotl? I have no, axolotl. I have no idea. And then I ordered the uni cats. So it's got little cats. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I should open it. So you can see it, guys, right? Let's see. How does this work? Should I guess, do I cut this out? Oh my gosh. Okay. You have to cut this out, right? That's stuck to my fingers. All right. So now I guess we have to open it here. I don't want to get my fingers. It helps, guys, if you have nails, but unfortunately I just cut my nails and I'm thinking that I'm gonna let my nails grow again because this is not helping. Okay, almost got it open. I don't know if I'm supposed to leave that on, but maybe not. I just want to open once you can see it. Let's see. Is it this way? Oh, mamma mia. Sorry about that, guys. But I don't know if you can see that, but it's little cats. Maybe you see it better on white paper. And it's supposed to go there, which I have to figure out how to do that. How the heck? Is it like this? Oh, mamma mia. Oh, this turns. Okay, I'll have to figure that out later, but it's just very adorable. I like that it has different faces. Actually, it has 3. Because I think this one you're supposed to remove, you see? So this one's blinking or winking. And this one has wide eyes. His eyes are open. This one, he has, they're both smiling. And then this one's like, oh. Okay, I'll have to figure that out. Okay, so let's go on to the next one in the meantime. Now this, I don't remember what this is, guys. So let's open this up. It's got the bubble. Oh yeah, now I know. It's washi tape. And this is for Grandma. She loves those. Let's see. Any private stuff here? Nope. It's from the Washi Tape shop. Okay. I wanted to try this out because I keep seeing it, and you guys know that I scrapbook. Wow, this is gonna be so pretty. And I'm gonna start working on a planner. I just ordered a happy planner. All right, so this one looks like the washi tape is called Pet. I don't know if you can see that, but it's so pretty. And then this one, oh, no, actually they all say Pet. I'm just gonna open it so we can see it. All right, so let's open this one. So washi tape, this is perfect for everything, really. I'm gonna, because I'm into scrapbooking, I do cards. Oh my gosh, this is perfect for the planner too. I'm so glad this arrived. I had forgotten about this, guys. Oh my god, this is so pretty. How do you open this is the question of the night. I know it's here. Oh, mamma mia. How the heck? What the heck? Yeah, I can't seem to open this because I have no nails. Is it here? I think it's here, guys. Let's see. Aha. I got it. Wow. This is beautiful. It's a house. There's a ladder. Oh my god, look at the shoe house. Oh, the pink flower shop. This is gorgeous. This is definitely perfect for my planner and scrapbook pages. You know I'm going to order some more. This is beautiful. I'm not going to unroll the whole thing. There's a lot of it too. Okay, there's one. Let's open this one. I like the way they wrap it. I love this one. Okay, let's see. I think it's here. Is it here? These are perfect. Oh my gosh, because I decided to get a planner because when I do the whipping chats, guys, sometimes I forget to write and then I can't remember anything that I do. So I figured I'd do that. Look at this, guys. Look at her dress. So gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Love, love, love this one. Love the flowers. Love the dresses. Summer dresses. I'm going to have so much fun with these. Okay. And it looks like you might have to put a tape because you see how it unravels. Let's see. I'm probably opening these wrong. Who knows? It's a different texture, I think. Yeah, this is like paper. You see, these are see-through. This one is not. So let's see. Where does it end? Is it here? I have no idea. Yeah. It's a little tape. So I'm going to keep this little tape for later. So I need to tape it back. Oh my gosh. Is that the same but different texture? Yeah. This is, like I said, this is perfect for cards. This is perfect for scrapbooking. And of course, the planner. So if you're into planning, I just ordered a happy planner and I can't wait. Okay, calm down. Calm down, Sylvia. All right, love those. Love, love, love those. Okay, and then I ordered another, just a little something from Lexi Sparkle. She's on Etsy. Okay. And again, this just tells me what I ordered. It looks like I ordered some Coverminders and a Coverminder trash. And it says, Sylvia, hello, my friend. Thank you so much for ordering from my shop again. I appreciate your support so much. You are helping to make my dreams come true. I hope you love your new Coverminders, Lexi. Of course I am, Lexi. Okay. Love the little box. Okay. Lexi Sparkle, Crafts and Gifts. Love these boxes, guys. Okay. More bubble wrap for grandma. And some stickers. What is this? God, this is like a, one of those little games, I think. Like a Game Boy? I don't know. I think my daughter used to have one of those. And then a little cupcake. Lots of stickers, guys. And bubble wrap for grandma. And then it says, thank you for your purchase. Okay, and you can find her on YouTube. And it says Instagram. And her Etsy shop is called Lexi Sparkle Craft. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. So many goodies. Where do I begin? Okay, calm down. All right, so you get a cute butterfly sticker she sent me. And this must be the, oh my god, this is adorable. What is this again? Where's the paper? What did I do with the paper, guys? Is it this one? Let's see. That is the Sparkly Glitter Diamond Painting Coverminder Trash. Okay, Twinkie Twinkie. Let's open it. Love the way she puts everything in the box, so pretty. Okay, so this is a trash cover minder. See, it's got a magnet in the back. And I guess, I wonder if you could put pens in there. Shall we try it? And it's got a little heart. And then of course is where you put your trash. Guys, look at that. It works. Perfect. Love it. Okay. And then this is a cover minder and it's a penguin. Look at that. Look how sparkly that is. Oh my gosh, I love her cover minders, guys. I love everything she makes. I already have one of her trays and I love it. And I think I ordered another one because I love them. Oh my God, look how cute this penguin is. Look at the sparkle on that. Beautiful. Okay, and then she sent me a little, what do you call this? Oh my gosh. A unicorn? Cover minder. Very, very cute. Very tiny, but very cute. I love these, guys. I have it actually downstairs right now because I'm working with my big painting downstairs. But this is lotion that she sent me, and another, this was watermelon. It's downstairs. It's not here. It's downstairs. All right. Thank you, Lexi. And then this, I guess she has sent me some things. So this is from Painting with Petey's. She also has a YouTube. Ooh, save 10% with this code. I'm going to use that. And this is also from Lexi. There's another cover minder that I got. This is the mermaid tail. I just finished working with the Rochelle, the mermaid. It would come in handy. Let's see. Because right now I'm working with a fairy. Look at this, guys. It's the tail of a mermaid. Isn't that beautiful? It's big too, guys. And it's not that heavy, which is nice. Very, very pretty. And then she sent me, ooh, a cool pen. Nice. Love the color. Thank you, Lexi. I love everything. Love everything. This is that tissue paper shredded. And then some washi tape. Okay. And then, ooh, another washi tape. I love washi tape because it comes in handy. And this is a little octopus. I always want to eat these. I don't know why, but I do. It's not edible, guys. I know. But it looks, look at this. It's like swishy. Does it smell? No? It's just very cute. All right. Thank you, Lexi. Love everything. Let's move all these boxes out of the way. Move this out of the way. And one more thing, very quickly. I know I'm taking forever. I'm sorry. This is just an Amazon pen that I believe that I purchased. Yeah, comes with all these placers. Lots of wax, which is nice. And let's open this baby up. Can't find where I put my scissors. This is the last thing, guys. If I can get it out. Okay. Oh, it looks like that other pen. Look. Isn't that pretty? And now, of course, this one. See, now I've got two. Very, very pretty. All right, guys. That was from Amazon. All right, so let's move all these things out of the way. Let's put everything here. I don't know if you can see everything, but this is my washi tape that I love, love, love. Let's put these together. I don't know if they're going to go sliding. No, that's good. The pens, my cover minders, my lotion, and that's for my lips. This is my little, not little, it's actually big. Mermaid tail, more washi tape, stickers. Is everything? Can you see everything? Of course not, can you? Nope. Let's see. I'm going to have to move these things down. Is that better? Yeah. And then, of course, the stickers. Love all my stickers. Let's put some over here. The card. Lexi's card. And the cover minders. And that's about it, guys. So I hope you've enjoyed everything I purchased, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, pleasant night. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.